This is an obscure video format sometimes used by old downloading software. It's rare. The best bet is to rename it to .mpg or check it with a universal player like VLC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's troubleshoot. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust EPV file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. The EPV file extension is designated as unknown and video. This suggests it's a video file format, but the specific codec or container format is not readily identifiable without further context. It could be a proprietary video format used by a specific software application or device, or it might be a less common video codec. Determining the exact nature of an .epv file often requires examining its header information or attempting to open it with various video playback software. Without knowing the specific video codec or container format, it's difficult to define precise design rules. However, video files generally consist of a container format that holds the video and audio streams, along with metadata. The video stream is encoded using a specific codec, such as H.264 or VP9, while the audio stream is encoded using a codec like AAC or MP3. The container format defines how these streams are multiplexed and synchronized. For EPV, your initial opener should be original encryption software. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows cannot bypass encryption, so proper access requires supplying the correct key. For guaranteed results, right-click your EPV file and select Open With. Use original encryption software first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If your EPV file will not open yet, do not panic. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, identify encryption tool. Determine the software that was used to encrypt the file, e.g., specific project management tool. Next, use decryption tool. Open the original encryption software and use the decrypt or open function, providing the correct password or certificate. Finally, check integrity. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.